徛台湾看世界，来看美国以色列联手攻击到伊朗。美国的总统川普本地讲，差不多爱4-5个礼拜，这个战争才会结束。也毋过昨伊解喙咯，讲其实咯，战争已经接近尾声。这个话一讲出来，带动着美国的股市大起，嘛使得油价落跋。本来国际油价每一桶是美金将近720块，是一度落到85块。
美国中央司令部公布画面，美军针对着伊朗飞弹发射器进行轰炸，无论是美丽建筑物内底，还是树仔骹，拢互美军炸成歹铁啊！美军拍伊朗2月28开始到即马，美国总统川普讲差不多要结束啊。
A lot of work, a lot of brilliant work. But we're going to have a much safer world as soon as it's finished, and it's going to be finished pretty quickly.
川普本来讲会拍4礼拜到5礼拜，不过进度超前。到目前为止，美军已经轰炸伊朗超过5000个目标，伊朗飞弹能力目前只剩差不多10%尔，是讲主宰全世界1/5，尤其运输荷姆兹海峡，目前伊愿和伊朗威胁讲要封锁。川普伫社群平台写文章讲，若是伊朗好打甲切断石油的供应，美军会以20倍力头回应。
We're also waiving certain oil-related sanctions to reduce prices. So we have sanctions on some countries. We're going to take those sanctions off till this straightens out. But when the time comes, the U.S. Navy and its partners will escort tankers through the strait if needed.
美国西德州中级原油以及布兰特原油伫7月每桶计销捌起到接近120块美金。川普讲战争要结束啊，加上7大工业国集团宣布讲会释出石油，可找到每桶的油价捌落来到85到90块美金。美国同款表现真好，车到收盘时，道琼工业指数起0.5%，纳斯达克指数嘛起1.38%。中东的冲突和国际油价甲股市未输咧坐飞天车，美国国务卿卢比奥认讲，这拢爱怪伊朗。
They are trying to hold the world hostage. They are attacking their neighbors. They are attacking neighboring countries, their energy infrastructure, their civilian population. They're attacking embassies. This is a terrorist government.
川普一句战争要结束啊，和国际市场松一口气。不过中东的冲突敢真正接近要结束，爱搁观察。
Hello， 我是主播王韵竹。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，随时锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。